gentlemen, please meet Nokia 800 Tough. Thank you. The Nokia 800 Tough is the most durable Nokia phone ever made. And it has the longest standby time. Whether you're on the trail or on the construction side, the Nokia 800 Tough can take whatever life throws at you. You can submerge it into water for 30 minutes. You can drop it from 2 meters to concrete floor. It's IP68 rated for dust and water ingress. None of this, of course, is particularly impressive for the most reliable, most durable Nokia phone to date. This is why we didn't only build the Nokia 800 Tough to be consumer grade. We built it and tested it to military standards. Now, when I say military standards, I mean specifically the MIL STD 810G standard. Now, this standard has 29 test cases, out of which 13 apply for mobile. These include pressure, temperature, rain, salt, humidity, sand, dust, immersion, vibration, and shock. The Nokia 800 Tough passes all 13 test cases. This makes the Nokia 800 Tough the perfect companion for your work site or for your wildest adventure. We've also added anti-slip coating and rubberized edges to design, so you can hold the Nokia 800 Tough with confidence. Of course, if you drop it, no harm done. We have also included a loop on the bottom of the design, so you can loop it with a strap and a carabiner and attach it to your belt or your backpack. To seal the deal, the Nokia 800 Tough comes with the longest standby time of any Nokia phone ever. It will last up to 43 days. Thank you. The Nokia 800 Tough is built on KaiOS. Comes with essential apps like Facebook and WhatsApp preloaded. Just like the 2720 Flip, the Nokia 800 Tough can also act as a 4G hotspot. When it comes to availability, the Nokia 800 Tough will be available in 2 colors. The very sensible black that I'm holding in my hand, and also the funky desert camo color that you can see on the display. It will be available in early October at an average global retail price of €109.